Welcome back, everybody. I'm home for one day, literally just one day, a quick visit home here between the Florida and the Georgia trip. Busy with Let's Give It a Try. We're doing lots of lives on the road, and of course super busy on the Griddle More Tour. It's all consuming, having a blast. But I wanted to show you this brand new little number here, and I'll try to do this in one or very few takes. Blackstone's brand new Adventure Ready. Remember that, Adventure Ready breakfast kit. Okay, I'll try to do this in one take. So brand new to Blackstone's Adventure Ready line, Walmart exclusive currently. What does this thing have in it? What is it? So Adventure Ready, folks. You can certainly use this on your back porch, but it's Adventure Ready, meaning, you know, for smaller camping trips and stuff like that. And this is what's inside here. So check this out. Pull this all apart and show you what we got going on here. Look at this. Whoa, what's that? What's that? Look at this. What's that? Oh no, you might see an occasional dog hair from Piper here. We can't escape them in our house. But first up is a 32, and let me move my camera, a 32-ounce bottle, and they just call it a bottle. Why is that? Because, you know, if they called it an oil bottle or a pancake bottle, people would complain, right? So 32-ounce, and I'm gonna say pancake batter bottle or dispenser. The top comes off like this, okay, like so, and then it goes back on like this. So I could see myself using this for camping, put pancake batter mix in the bottom, mix water in there, and the cool thing is it totally, hold on, it's hard to get that in the frame, it totally collapses just like that when you're done with it. So that's the 32-ounce liquid bottle, okay? And it comes with these little straps. What are they? Are they little magnets? Are they wrist magnets or wrist bracelets? No, they're not. Let me show you what they are. So this is an all-encompassing, all-in-one system here for making eggs. Again, Adventure Ready, so don't think that, you know, you're going to get 100 of these and feed your whole family. You'd have to piece things together, just like me with a large family, but it comes with little clips, and bam, you've got yourself an egg ring. Comes with a little clip, and bam, you've got yourself an egg ring. But check this out. This is what's really cool. They did a real good job with this, and I'm very impressed, is you can take them and clip them together like so, and yes, you guessed it, an actual omelet ring, baby, right like that. So how cool is that? Let me see if I can pack this back up and show you how it goes back together for storage. So had to readjust the camera to get this back into frame here. So you tuck this in, something like that. You can take these little egg ring portions, as egg ring segments, I guess, put them inside like so. Now this is my first time doing this, folks, so if it seems clumsy, I'm sure I'll get the hang of it later. But they go in there something like this, and I'll tilt the camera here, or tilt the bottle and show you what I'm working with. What my rationale is, something like that, okay? And then you can just clip these wherever, you know, like that. And just like that, you got yourself a water bottle, or a pancake batter bottle, you know. You get yourself egg rings and omelet rings literally in the palm of your hand. All right, folks, hopefully you think that's pretty darn cool. So I'm going to be in Georgia this weekend, Griddle More Tour. I don't have the schedule in front of me. They accidentally put us down for Easter Sunday. So the date that was on Easter Sunday is moved back to Thursday, and that's going to be noon till 4. Friday stays the same, and Saturday's location is the same, but the dates were moved to 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. to accommodate Easter travel for all of us. So there you go. If you have any questions, go out to facebook.com/Blackstone Products. I'll bring you some more content as soon as I can. Until next time, praise the Lord and pass the food.